So we're just about to brighten up this Saturday rainy evening in Bearwood, Birmingham. We're going to go to a restaurant that I've heard so much about, the Red Oven. So let's do this. Hi AJ, so pleased to meet you.
How are you?
Very good, thanks. So happy to be here and thank you very much for inviting me. So what type of restaurant is the Red Oven?
This is North Indian Punjabi food we're serving here from the region of Punjab. We're using fresh ingredients here and tandoori mixed grills, everything fresh from the tandoori.
Excellent. Well, the aromas coming from the kitchen smell amazing. I can't wait to film some of your chefs in action. And you've got some entertainment happening tonight?
Yes, we have a live singing today, so obviously please have a seat and enjoy the rest of the night.
Will do. Thank you very much. What's your name, sir?
My name is Narayan Comedy.
And how long have you been a chef?
15 years.
Yeah.
I worked before Michelin restaurant.
Wow.
Banaras restaurant. You know Banaras restaurant in Mayfair.
Right.
And it's Michelin star restaurant is there.
Wow.
I worked in 5 years there.
Yeah, he's a top chef.
Yeah. But I don't know, but I worked there before.
What's your favourite dish?
Favorite dish chicken tuna, chicken jalfrezi.
Onion, tomato,
Ginger, garlic, coriander,
cashew nut and tomato,
cashew nut, tomato, and butter.
Veg. So paneer, cauliflower,
paneer,
onion sauce,
and mixed vegetable, onion sauce,
fish gravy,
yeah, and desi ghee.
Desi ghee, nice.
और पनीर टिक्का मसाला, onion tomato sauce, yeah, and makhani sauce,
butter gravy,
yeah, mustard gravy, sugar, my dish,
sugar, very nice. The sugar really works.
Yeah, sure. Because many people like sweet. That's why I make.
Biryani masala.
Yeah, biryani masala. Yeah. Heap. Heap.
Carrot.
Yeah. Water.
It'll be ready.
Chicken veggie.
What's this one?
This lamb chicken dopaja.
Lamb korma.
Yeah.
Chicken tikka masala.
Beans. Yeah, mix. Butter sauce. Butter chicken. Gravy. Cream. Mini. Met. That's garlic tarka, one chili, all.
Which dal? Chor dal? Chana dal?
Yeah, moong dal, masoor dal.
Okay, yeah. Moong and masoor. Pilau. How you doing, mates? Yeah, good. Busy night tonight? Yeah. A bit of egg fried rice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Long grain. Oh, very quick.
Yeah.
Chana masala.
3 cheers to Portugal. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Alright. Rating 18, Hotel Krishna.
Busy nights.